So this is vegetarian, Indian, vegan, and bloody delicious. We're going to do this incredible and very simple eggplant curry today. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so in the center here, I've got our eggplants. Now you can see I'm using these type, they're quite a small one, various sizes. I've got about 20 of them there. If you don't have these ones, because eggplants obviously come in lots of different shapes and colors, you could use the larger ones, the more kind of familiar ones in the West, in America and in Europe, and you can dice them up. But if you get these, they're fabulous. We've got 2 cups of onion, cut nice and small, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, fresh chili chopped, entirely up to you on the amount that you put in, 3 cups of tomato, that's fresh tomato. What I've done is I've just put that in a blender because I want it nice and smooth. If you don't have a blender, just cut them as small as you can. And then here I've got 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using the Kashmiri chili powder for those interested, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Let's get to the cooker and get this wonderful eggplant curry on the go. So I'm using coconut oil. You can use a different oil if you want. I've got like a tablespoon, a couple of tablespoons maybe. Just melting that down. And we're going to drop in the 2 teaspoons of the cumin seeds, and just for a few seconds let them cook in that oil. They'll infuse it, give it a lovely flavor. And by the way, I've just put the heat on and we're on an above medium heat. And now we're going to take 2 cups of the onion, and we're going to go for about 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, next up we're going to go in with the ginger garlic paste, 50-50 mix of the 2. You can buy it in Asian stores if you have one near you, or you can make it yourself. We make our own because we use so much of it here all the time. Next up, let's get in our fresh chili. And then we're going to be adding the tomatoes. Like I say, I stuck my tomatoes in a blender because I want it really, really as smooth as I can. To that we're going to add 2 coriander, 2 chili, 1 turmeric. Let me grab some salt. Okay, so keep it on this above medium heat. We're going to go for about 6 or 7 minutes now. So that's beautiful, cooking out those fresh tomatoes. Got a bit of more moisture out of them, as you can see. Now we're going to get the eggplants in, but I just want to show you what I've done is I've just cut a cross in the bottom there, you know, just to open them out a bit. And we're just simply going to pop them all in. So I just pop that little cross on each one underneath. Just helps them go. Stay on this above medium heat and go for 5 minutes now. So that's just 5 minutes there. You can see they're starting to change color. We're now going to add 1 cup of coconut milk. And we're going to put this on a simmer now, on a nice low simmer. And we're going to let it go for maybe about another 5, 6 or 7 minutes, depending on the size of your eggplants, but you want them nice and soft. They're nowhere near ready yet. On the way, but not ready. You give it a stir every now and then. And that's beautiful. Off goes the heat. You've got a lovely masala there. Those eggplants are nice and soft and ready to eat. Check it for salt. You might want to add a bit more salt. What we're going to do now is add a little pinch of garam masala powder. Garam masala powder is a nice kind of finishing mixed spice. That's the stuff there. You can buy that in many, many stores. And then we've got some fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. We're going to give that a little mix. That's job done. Beautiful. And there you go. Really, really simple and absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. Please take time to subscribe, leave me a comment. I do actually read your comments and reply to as many as I can. And yeah, hit the bell icon for notifications. Take it easy. Lots of love.